channel, Building with
Julio.
That's right. And today, what are you going to be building, Julio?
A house.
This house right here. Now, once again, if you guys watched our last video, the same thing. They don't give instructions on how to build it here in this booklet, so we have to go online and get the instructions.
And Daddy, I got hiccups.
Julio's got hiccups, and it's hilarious. He can't stop him. But he
I need
wants...
water. I need water.
Oh, he needs water. You need water?
Yeah.
Alright, he needs water. Alright, we're back. We got Julio some water. He still has the hiccups, but he still wants to make this video. So, we're going to continue all this for his friends. So, you want to get started?
Yep.
Awesome.
Oh my God.
What do you guys think we should do to get rid of his hiccups? What do you think?
Good.
You okay?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
Anyway.
Step number 1.
Oh, that's not easy. What's it?
Let's see if that worked. Try scaring him.
Do again.
Did it work?
Do again.
What only works if you don't know about it?
Do again. Do again, Daddy.
Alright, it didn't work. Let's keep going.
Do again, Daddy. And now hiccups will all gone and just go one away, okay? Okay?
If I do it one more time, the hiccups are going to go away.
I hiccup on one away.
They want to go away. I don't know. What should we do?
Tickle them.
Tickle them out? Maybe. We'll see.
Maybe tickle my tummy.
Tickle your tummy? We'll see. I don't know about that.
Go! Tickle my tummy!
No, I can't tickle when you say it. It has to be a surprise. That way I can scare your hiccups away.
Come on!
You gotta wait. It's gotta be a surprise. That way I can scare them away. That's a surprise. He didn't expect it. Nope. He still got the hiccups. Alright, let's keep going. Maybe by the end of this video, they'll be all gone. Awesome! Did that do it? Come on, let's keep going. That wasn't a tickle? What was that?
Okay.
I think they're gone.
Look at this.
Alright, let's keep going. I think the hiccups are gone. No, they're back. Oh, hold on. I think we're missing one. Alright, we're missing one. Back to the pieces.
Mommy told me breathe out and drink the water and wait and go on.
Alright, let's try it. Alright.
My hiccups is now all gone.
Alright, they're not.
What do we do now?
We'll just finish our house and we'll figure something out. See what we can do to get rid of it.
Daddy, what happened to me? Ah!
There it is.
It's okay.
Alright, go on. Awesome job.
Awesome job, what?
Awesome job figuring that out. Alright. So now, right here. Step number 19.
Step number
18. Are they gone?
And
Oh, still here. Hiccups. No, we're not forgetting a piece. We're forgetting our halfway dance. Halfway dance, halfway dance. Oh, still there. Alright, let's keep going.
Hey, what is this?
Oh, I skipped this. I skipped a step. Sorry. Oh,
Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one?
here it is.
That's not.
Right here, on top of this.
See?
Yeah.
Ah!
Alright, yep, set it to the top. Yeah, it's coming. Awesome, look at that house. We did it, guys. Alright, so there's the final building to it. Alright, so remember, if you guys like these videos, like, share, and subscribe. Right, buddy? Hopefully we can get rid of these hiccups soon. Alright, guys. Till next time. Say bye to your friends.
Bye.
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 Bye.